In this video, we're going to tell you about a credit union that has a $100,000 personal loan and accepts everyone.
Okay, money magnets, we're talking about Consumers Credit Union. Now, let's dive into what products that they have. The first card is the Visa Signature Cashback Card. Now, this card has a zero annual fee, so you don't pay an APR on this. And you know how I feel about holding a card in your wallet where you don't have to pay an annual fee. Also, this card has 12 months of 0% on interest for balance transfers as well as everyday spends, okay? But wait just a minute, money magnets. Let's dive into the cashback rewards. You earn 3% cashback on grocery stores and convenience store purchases, 2% cashback on gas, and you also get 1% on everything else. But let me give you that little fine print, okay, money magnets, because you only get 3% back on a maximum of $6,000 on annual spend when you're spending it on groceries or even on gas, okay? But Marvin, let's see what other benefits that this particular credit union has to offer.
All right, guys, let's jump into the Visa Signature Rewards Card. All right, with this card, you can earn reward points towards merchandise and travel. And Gloria and I love to travel a lot, so this would be a great card. All right, you can earn 3 times the points on grocery store and convenience store purchases. You earn 2 times the points on gas, and then you earn 1 times the points on all other eligible purchases. But keep in mind, like Gloria said, with this card, you also get 0% for 12 months on purchases and balance transfers. So think about it, guys. If you already have a card that you got 0% for 12 months, you can apply for this card. Now you've got 2 years where you've had 0% interest. This is a great strategy if you guys don't want to pay a lot of interest. And guys, remember, like and share this video. Anybody that has any experience with Consumers Credit Union, please comment below. And also, if you're looking for up to $250,000 for your business, make sure you look in the description and sign up for a free business strategy call with Gloria and myself. But Gloria, let's tell them about the next card.
Okay, now we're talking about the Visa Platinum Rewards. You know, I like that platinum in the name, okay? But this is your low interest rate card, okay? And with this card, it's 1 times the points on everyday purchases. But keep in mind, we're still at the 0% interest for 12 months on spend and on balance transfer. Also, money magnets, with this card, there's no annual fee. So you want to make sure that you're looking at which card best suits your situation.
Yeah.
But Marvin, let's see what else they have to offer.
All right, they have a low rate card called the Visa Platinum Card. With this card, if you're really concerned about your interest rate, you ran out of your 0%, this is a good card if you want a good low rate with no annual fee. And guys, keep in mind, you know, you got to pay $5 to join this credit union. They normally pull TransUnion, and they're pretty generous with their limits. All you got to do is make sure you guys have a 700 credit score, and I will have less than 3 inquiries on my credit if I was really serious about getting a high limit. But Gloria, let's tell them about the auto loans.
Now, with this particular credit union, money magnets, they go up to 84 months. So that means if you're looking to buy a new car, you can get more time to pay for a bigger car note.
Yeah, and with the other used cars, you're looking at anywhere between 60 and 72 months. And keep in mind, you can also refinance. Say if you're stuck in a high interest car loan and you want to refinance for a better rate, because they got rates as low as 4.6%. Now, this could help you save money. Remember, guys, it's not what you make, it's what you keep. You know, and keep in mind, you want the lowest interest rates as long as you got the best credit score. But Gloria, let's tell them about the personal loans.
Okay, money magnets, now we at the big boy, which is the $100,000 loan. Money, can you imagine? It goes up to $100,000, money magnets. So with this particular product, there's no origination fees, no closing costs,
right,
and no monthly maintenance fees. That right there can be a cash flow changer.
Yep, and keep in mind, guys, you can use this for home improvement. Maybe you're behind on your taxes, you need to pay them, or you want to consolidate your credit cards. Instead of having 5 or 6 credit cards where you're making all these monthly payments, maybe you can consolidate everything and get a low rate. Right now, the rates are as low as 8.99%. That's pretty good. And the rates are going to be based on your credit score.
Most definitely.
And keep in mind, like I said, I would make sure I got a 700 credit score, 2 months bank statements, and possibly 2 years taxes if you're trying to get this $100,000. This is a great loan when it comes to consolidating and keeping your monthly spend low. But Gloria, let's tell them about the home equity loans that they have.
Okay, Money Magnets, with the home equity loan, I love this, Marvin, because you can do a locked-in rate of 5.49 for 12 months. That right there, that is a cash flow changer for sure.
Yeah, and after that, it becomes a variable rate. But this could be great if you need some cash to either do a project or you're trying to do a business deal where you may flip a house or do something like that. This could be great short-term money at a great rate. They also have a fixed rate home equity loan. So if you need something for 5, 10, 15, or 20 years, you can get a fixed rate, a fixed payment. And this could be good if you're getting highly leveraged on credit cards and you're looking to not pay so much interest. A home equity loan could be a good alternative to help you save money. And then the only thing, guys, don't run those credit cards back up again.
Most definitely.
And the good part about the variable rate, I forgot to say, is interest only. So that's a really, really low payment that you can get for 12 months. But the fixed rate, of course, will be one payment for a set amount of time. But Gloria, let's talk about the home loans that Consumers Credit Union has.
Now, with the first product that they have on the mortgage side, and I'm loving this, it's the Home Advantage program. So Money Magnets, have you ever seen where you can earn reward points for either selling or buying a new home?
That's neat.
That's really amazing, Marvin. So you can earn anywhere from $600 all the way up to $6,000.
Yeah,
that right great. There is more money in your pocket.
Yep, and like Gloria said, that's for buying or selling. You could almost get back the commission that you may pay to a realtor in reward points. And then keep in mind, you can refinance your house with Consumers Credit Union, or you could be a first-time home buyer and you're looking to get your first home. That would be great as well if you wanted a credit union that can help you buy your first home.
And this is a good way for you to start looking at different banking options instead of the big banks, you know, Marvin, because that's what it's all about, finding ways to keep money in your pocket, Money Magnets. And as we always say, credit unions is about the community because they're nonprofit.
Keep in mind, the big banks are not giving out generous limits on credit cards and personal loans like they used to. So credit unions can be a great alternative. And if you're looking to buy a home, Consumers Credit Union will let you pre-qualify right online, but you have to be a member. You have to fund your account. You got to spend the $5 to join the co-op. And when you're getting ready to buy a home, keep in mind you need all 3 scores to be over 700 to get the best rates, less than 3 inquiries. And remember, this is a credit union, so make sure you have less than 3 inquiries on your check systems as well.
Hold up. I have a gem. Okay, Money Magnets, if you're looking for ways to borrow money against your life insurance policy, check out this next video.
I'm Mr. Smith.
And I'm Mrs. Smith.
And we're here to help empower your finances.